Hello students, my name is Pradeep. So today I am going to give you one more, I will say that is update regarding admission. So one of the premium institute that is in Mumbai, that is ICT. So its MTech and PhD forms are already out, and the last date for PhD form submission is 25th June, and for MTech it is 15th June. So those who have still not applied, please apply in this premium institute. So this ICT has three campuses, one in Mumbai, another one is Bhubaneswar, and other one is in Marathwada. Okay, so there are three campuses of this Institute of Chemical Technology. So for chemical engineers, this is one of the premium institutes. So this is when you go to ICT Mumbai website. So this will be page. This page will open, and here you will get the link for, I will say, for doctoral programs and MTech programs. Okay, so you can download the advertisement and can read the eligibility criteria and can apply in this institute. Now let's see. So this is the advertisement for direct PhD, also for MTech to PhD also. So direct PhD is offered in some programs and MTech to PhD, okay, in all the programs, and you can see the eligibility criteria, and last date is 25th June. There will be only single application form for all the three campuses. So you need not to fill separate application form for all the campuses. You only need to fill only one application form. Okay. So separate application forms must be filled for different programs. So अगर अलग प्रोग्राम में आपको अप्लाई करना है तो सेपरेट एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म भरना पड़ेगा. ओके, बट सभी कैंपसेस के लिए एक ही फॉर्म आपको भरना पड़ेगा. Okay, then these are the various programs which are being offered in these campuses: Mumbai, Bhubaneswar. This PhD in pharmacy, PhD in bioprocess technology, chemical engineering, nanotechnology. Okay, so these are PhD mechanical engineering, electronics, electrical, civil, biochemistry, food science, maths, physics, textile. Okay, so okay students, so these are the various, I will say, branches in which PhD course is available, and you can apply this. And this is the link, I will say, this is the link for admission handbook, from where you can read the eligibility criteria. Okay, so that is mentioned on page number 193 to 204. Otherwise also I will give you the exact link for this, for eligibility criteria of admission handbook, in description also, so you can read these pages and accordingly you can apply. So application fees is rupees 1000 and rupees 500 for reserved category students. So direct PhD programs are offered in limited branches only. So you need to read the admission handbook very carefully. Okay, so I will say those students who have qualified some, I will say, national fellowship exams, so they will be exempted from their entrance test. Otherwise, all the students have to give their entrance test. Okay, so for that, syllabus is already available on their website. So candidates will have to qualify entrance examination conducted by Institute of Chemical Technology, subject to availability of fellowships. Okay, तो ICT भी फेलोशिप देगा. ओके, सो कुछ ही सीट्स इन्होंने क्या रखी हैं, एंट्रेंस एग्जाम के थ्रू रखी हैं. ओके, so this is intake capacity. This I have taken from, I will say, that is admission, this admission handbook. From admission handbook I have taken these pages. Eligibility criteria. So eligibility criteria is, of course, that is you must have done MTech in that relevant branch, and for some branches also direct PhD is also there. So you can read this, I will say, this admission handbook, and accordingly you can apply. So this is the link for admission rules. Now second is, that is, MTech admissions are also there. So for this also, and I will say Masters in Chemical Technology, ME, MSc programs for ICT Mumbai, Bhubaneswar and Marathwada campuses, and Last date of form submission is 15th June. Okay. So these are the various postgraduate programs that are offered, that is Masters in Chemical Engineering, and these are the required, I will say, qualifications. So again, you can see, so MTech in Food Technology, Pharmaceutical, Polymer, so that is Marathwada campus, then Bhubaneswar Food, Pharmaceutical, Petrochemical. So similarly, MTech in Pharmaceutical, Food, Bioprocess in Mumbai, Plastics Engineering, Green Technology. So accordingly, you can check your eligibility criteria and can fill these forms. Okay. Last date is 15th June. Okay. So you should have valid GATE or GPAT score for this. And for, I will say, for general candidates, 60% marks in their BTech is the requirement, or I will say that is 6 CGPA or equivalent CGPA according to your university rules, and 55% marks or equivalent CGPA for the backward class candidates. Now, for MTech programs in bioprocess, food biotech, and pharmaceutical biotechnology, admission will be done through graduate aptitude test in biotechnology conducted by Department of Biotechnology, and fees is rupees 1000, okay, for open category, and rupees 500 for reserved category students. So preference will be candidates with valid GATE or GPAT score. So students, so this institute, I will say that this is the premium institute for, I will say, for chemical engineers. So those who have done BTech in chemical engineers and they want to do MTech in chemical engineering or PhD, and others also who have done their MTech in mechanical, civil, and other branches. So accordingly, I will provide the link in the description, and you can check your eligibility and fill their form. So students, if you like this video, please like this video and share it more, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.